Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV extraordinaire, coming here from Beckley's Camping Center today to show you that if you're looking to put a composting toilet in your Tab 400, I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So taking a look at your current, this is what your current bathroom looks like, or the standard bathroom looks like in your Tab 400. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove this panel here in order to get some 12-volt wire through over for the power for the fan. Next thing you need to do is you're going to need to remove your toilet. Now that you remove your toilet, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and you've got to cap off that drain pipe going into the black tank. And then of course, because of the fact that there is no support, well, there's not enough support for what you have to do to put the, and by the way, we're going to be putting the Airhead composting toilet in here. It seems like that's the only one that works. You're going to need to put some plywood, and make sure you get the right thickness for plywood, and you're going to cut that along with a hole in that so you have access to that pipe going into the black tank. As you can see here now, that is what it's going to look like. Also, you're going to be able to see where you're going to have the wire running through now that we have the panel off of the side, underneath that sink, where you're going to be running your 12-volt wire through. Now, once you get the wood cut, you're going to want to go ahead and get yourself a nice heavy-duty plastic and cut the fitting so it's going to fit inside of that area. So you're able to cover up the wood, and that way there you're able to seal it off, as you can see. Now, we talked about the fan. The fan is going to be coming off the back there. Well, the fan is actually right down at the bottom going out. So the fan, unlike in Nature's Head, the fan is exterior of the toilet, which is kind of nice. Now when you're going to be taking this, the cool thing about the Airhead is the fact that, as you can see on the side, the whole toilet is going to come out, making it a lot easier for you to go ahead and empty your toilet because you're going to be taking it outside. So the part back here, you can see right now we still have the blue tape on there, but from above the blue tape, that part is going to come right off of there. It's going to slide right off top of that, and you're going to be able to take this whole toilet out when you need to actually empty the toilet itself. So as you can see, we have this panel back on, and you can see how the wire comes out, and that's going to give you your 12 volt. Now when you're folding this plastic over the edge right here, you want to be careful. It's going to be taking, you don't want to heat it up, otherwise it might stretch it, might weaken it. So you might want to take a few days and bend it. Then when you go to seal it, what we did to keep it from flaring up, we put the sealant on it, and we took a flange from an awning bracket, and we put it across there until we got a good seal on it, and then we redid the screws, as you can see, and it looks like it's done at the factory. So again, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you found that information helpful for those of you that may be looking to do this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I know enough to be dangerous about having this thing installed. I didn't do any of it, but I know how the process works. So thanks again, and you have a great day.